guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just pulled up to Target and I'm about to go inside and just look around. I'm really not here to like really shop for real, like really not planning on buying anything. I'm just really just looking just to get out of the house. But yeah, so you know it's Target, so I'm probably going to end up finding something. So I wanted to start this video. I'm recording on my phone. I have to tell you guys that because I know I'm going to keep looking at myself on the phone rather than looking in the camera like I should be, but y'all know what's up. So I'm about to go inside now and just look and see what they have. I know a lot of stores have stuff that's marked down, so I'm just going to be looking at the clearance racks mostly. Probably go look in the kids section, and I might end up getting her some stuff or something like that. I don't know, but like I said, I'm just looking around just to get out of the house. And you know, it's always fun to go to Target anyway, right? So let's go, guys. Jeans, because I need some black jeans, and these are the fours. And, no, ma'am. So I was just sitting here talking, thought I was recording the whole time, was not. But anyways, like I was just saying, I just came from Target. I didn't really get anything for real, but that neon green pullover that was on sale at Barnes & Noble, and I want to go and see if I can find a book. I really have been into like more spiritual books and like stuff with self-improvement and business, so I'm gonna look for something along those lines. I do have a book that I am currently reading now, but it's like it's a spiritual book, so you're just supposed to read like a chapter a day. Well, at least that's what I do, a chapter a day. So I want to find something else to read along with that, so that's what I'll be doing. So yeah, I don't have it in the background. As you can see, I have Ulta in the background. I'm staying away from Ulta today because I'm not trying to go buy makeup today, and I'm not trying to get lost in Ulta today. Like, it's already starting to get dark. I'm trying to wrap this up because I'm starting to get hungry. So yeah, so let's go, guys. Let's see what I can find. Okay guys, so I know it's kind of dark, so I'll make this really quick. I'll show you guys. I only got one book. I was tempted to get more than that, but I just wanted to get the one for right now. So I did decide to get, ooh, okay, got a coupon. Sorry, got distracted. Sorry, fix that. Okay, so I did end up getting this one, You Are a Badass at Making Money, because I don't have a financial like book that I'm reading, so I thought to be a good one to start with. I do want to go back and get the other one once I finish this one about you're a badass every day or something like that, because I was really debating between that one and this one here. So yeah, so I'll probably do that after I finish reading that one. But yeah, I'm excited to read it, see what is hitting on, you know, all that stuff. I'm just playing. But no, I heard it was really good read, so I'm going to check it out. And yeah, I'll let you know, let you guys know what I think about it, maybe in a vlog or something like that. Or I might do a video just talking about some of the books that I have read and are currently reading and stuff. I don't know. We'll see how that plays out. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's shot with me. Again, not very much stuff, but I hope you enjoyed just looking around, window shopping with me as well. Make sure you guys are subscribed for more videos like this. And as always, I see you guys in the next one. Bye.